Hey guys, welcome back. What's up? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So first of all, don't forget there is a giveaway going on. It is in my I think it's my Ipsy video, the last video I posted. Yes, my Ipsy unboxing, which was a hot fucking mess. I don't know how, but somehow the try-on portion got intertwined where it shouldn't have and got completely deleted. So I don't even know if there's like a whole try-on in that. I'm sorry. I suck at this shit. And also I filmed a video because I had a ColourPop order where I got a primer, which is this one, the Thirst Aid, the new Cheek Dew Serum Blush in Rumors, because it was the only one they had. And I did get the Thumper palette from the Bambi collection because this is very sentimental to me with my grandma. It's not technically the color story I would have chosen, but I loved the look that I made. I actually really love this palette. Like, it's very cool toned, but it is very pretty. And the serum blush is absolutely amazing. I have been using it like without makeup, just tapped across my face, and it gives you that natural glowy, I've been outside, sun-kissed look. So beautiful. Like this shade in particular. I do want to get more, but just a heads up, that video is not going up. I'll use them again eventually if anyone wants to see them, or if I just feel like using them. So today I have a little haul, and I'm going to be playing with some makeup. So I'm going to try to get through this beginning part as fast as possible. I might just do the unboxing in this video and then do the try on next in a different video to make it shorter, or I'll have a 4-hour video. I know I said I wasn't going to get BOXYCHARM anymore. I did cancel. And once you've been canceled for a couple weeks, they start sending you emails for free stuff. I got $10 off add-ons, so purchase some add-ons. They haven't shipped yet, but I got like a face palette, some skincare, and a spray for like $6. And I also got a code for a free palette. It was between two, a Violet Voss or Hip.1, and that shipped with my box. Look at how big this box is. My other boxes are over there where I would compare, but they're not usually this big. It's usually like a little squarish rectangle box. Like, I can't even. This is huge. I was like, holy shit, what did I get? So, I'll show you real quick. I also have a mini Ipsy little set. It's one of their value sets. And a little Ulta haul. Let me start with Ulta real quick. So, somehow I got a free Clinique concealer. I don't know how. I saw it was part of it. If you bought like Clinique or something. I think something got jumbled up. I added something to my cart and then deleted it out, but the free product didn't delete out. So I got like a full-size concealer for free. And online I chose my shade, and this is for dry combination, which I have combination, or I have dry skin. This is 2,3 Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, 6.75 Sesame. Online it looked a lot paler than it was, but it is pretty dark. Let me get yeah, that is dark, and it's oxidizing. So I think I'm going to, I couldn't even use that as a, like, cream bronzer or anything. I'm gonna have to find someone that can use this, that is this shade, and give this to. So That's out of the question, which is sad. I love concealer. I got the wispies that go with this, which I have only tried this with cheap little singles. So I was like, these are on sale. I want them. They have a much thinner band, so I'm going to see if they work better. Excited about that. And then from NYX, I did get the brow glue, which I do have in my brows right now, along with the Milani Weekend Brow in the shade Espresso. So I use the Urban Decay Brow Blade, which, yes, it is double-sided, but it is quite expensive, and I fucking love that ink pen so much. So I've heard people rave about this, and I was like, if I can find a cheaper option, then that's amazing. And I absolutely fucking love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, not all brow pens are the same. Luckily, I got lucky and got a good one, because not all of them are good. Trust and believe. So like I said, the Viral, the brow glue, looks, Jesus, it's quite tiny. It's 5 grams, 0.17 ounces. This is what it looks like. Doesn't have a smell at all, and it holds them. It makes them fluffy, which I really like. I have like 1 or 2 that do that, but they don't really stay that way. This I had to take my son to an appointment, so that's why I had my eyebrows on already done. Plus I always do them. And that was really early this morning. And also from NYX, I got the NYX Hydro Touch Primer. I have heard, I need something sharp. It has little tape. I have heard amazing things about this. Okay. I swear to God, look at this packaging. The smell. This is one of my Holy Grail primers from Shop Miss A. This is what the NYX looks like. A light, cloudy baby blue. They smell exactly alike. This one is white though, like cloudy white. Did I just pay $15? $15 for 25 milliliters when I paid 89 cents for 20 milliliters, and it's the exact same thing. Ingredients on the Shop Miss A: aqua, propylene glycol, cyclol, glycerin, dimethicone, aqua, dimethicone, glycerin, niacinamide. This one, they both have fragrance. The NYX one does have niacinamide and licorice root extract, camellia leaf. Does have some... They're the same thing though. That's okay, because I'm almost out of this. I only have a few uses left, but I am going to be using that today. And with NYX, if you spent $15, you got a little free set. So I got another primer. This is the Viral, the Marshmallow Primer. It has a sweet smell, but it doesn't really smell like marshmallows. Can't tell if it's light pink or white. It does have like a melted marshmallow. I thought this was supposed to be hydrating. What?
The thing of that new sand video,
Mm-hmm.
it's so pretty.
Yeah, it is.
It's
It's fine. It says it's like silicone free or something like that. I don't know. Doesn't feel very hydrating though. I got a new NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Lip Oil, which I literally have like 2 uses left in mine right there in my bathroom sink. This is one of my favorite lip oils of all time. It's fucking amazing. And then this, which I have heard Andrea Matalano rave about, the NYX Filler Instinct. And this is in the shade Beach Casual, which is an amazing color. But I think these are very light. Yeah, super light. It's right there. I don't know why I swatched it where you couldn't see it. They're like a tint. Has a slight sweet smell. Is it plumping? I think she said it's like slightly. Forget the filler, which I feel tingling already. Try not to get my new shirt covered in fucking makeup. Definitely some tingling going on. Before my hair is getting on my nerves. Okay, from Ipsy, this is one of their little value sets that they have on their shopper page. It was 23 bucks. And I'll tell you I'm a little upset. Okay, so I got the Glamnetic reusable press-on nails, which I don't understand how they're reusable because I'm sure it's glue. Soak nails in warm water for 10 minutes or until glue loosens. But I take a shower for longer than 10 minutes. I love this color. It is a pale see-through pink. It's literally pretty much this color that I have on, but I have accent nails with this. This is the Balm Creamy Lip Stain in Ola, which I've had 2 others of these in mini sizes that I have decluttered. I never had this color though. I love that soft, dusty pink shade. I hate the smell of these though. They smell like mint. I fucking hate mint. Now this is the reason I purchased this set, because it came with these other items that I knew I'd love. But this, I thought the price was so high because this was full size along with these other good items, which I'm almost out of because I use it every single day. The Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I love this. The full size is 1.7 ounces. This is the one that came in the bag. 15 milliliters, half an ounce. The size of an eye cream. Whatever. The Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Mango, which I've heard amazing things about this, so it's a cute little bottle. Oh. Do they all smell like that? Huh. Huh. It smells like... And it burnt my nose like menthol. Huh. And the very last thing is this Pacifica Ice Baby Mineral Highlighter with coconut water. 100% vegan and cruelty free. Packaging is very cute. Like the colors of it. It opens like a little book. always wipe my face before I go in with a new primer and stuff, so let's see what this looks like. Whoa. It's iridescent pink, so it looks white and chalky, but it turns into an iridescent pink. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I have that highlighter and that setting spray and those primers. Let's get into BOXYCHARM. So the theme this month is Lucky, which, like I said, I chose my choice, but then I canceled. My choice was this, and I did get it. I think almost everyone got it, so I'm not that surprised. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream, $39, a soothing lightweight moisturizer, lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, safe for, especially good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, chysine, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. Your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. Huh. I could not get that out. So it looks like this. Super cute. Glow Recipe never fails with the packaging. Look at how cute that is. It is so heavy. You can knock someone out with that. It's glass, but it is really heavy. I've heard it smells like fake banana. It smells like banana pudding with banana runts mashed in it. I'm going to take some off the edge. Oh, that does feel really nice. So I'm excited about that. I love getting like one moisturizer a month or every other month. The next thing I got is the Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. This is in the blue raspberry, but the shade doesn't matter because it goes on clear. This is Kim and Brianna Bierman. I'm going to wipe off. My lips are still tingly. It's very stringy. Smells like coconut and SPF. Like, not a good coconut. And I love coconut. Yeah, it has that SPF taste in it, which tastes horrible. But it is not sticky at all, and it makes your lips look pretty damn good. That is $20. Next thing I got, I'm so happy I got this. I wanted this. This is the Maven Beauty Maven Rosewater Setting Spray, $22. And it is a setting spray, rose water setting spray. The packaging is very cheap, but oh, that is nice. It's not aggressive. The mister is amazing. The rose smell is not overpowering. You get 3.38 fluid ounces for $20. The next thing I got is the Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel. This is literally the last thing I needed. And now I have had every single Billion Dollar Brows product there is. The groomer set, which has the scissors, tweezers, and brush in it. the eyebrow set that has the brushes and the crayon in it, the little fork prawn ink pen, which sucks by the way, the shitty universal pencil, the regular pencil. I've had it all. I've had everything from them because they're always in subscription boxes. This is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, $18. Love the packaging. Hate the brush. So, I did open this last night. This box came yesterday. And I will tell you, you will have to figure out the pricing on your own. But one of my favorite brow gels until the NYX Brow Glue was the ABH Clear Brow Gel for staying power. Like if I'm going to work and I don't want my color to come off so people see I have no eyebrows, I use that because it's going nowhere. The color of the pencil, your hair, anything, it's going nowhere. And this is literally that. They smell just alike. The formula is just alike. Now, a mini of that is $9. The full size of this is $18. So I'm pretty sure this is a dupe, which is awesome, obviously, because everyone loves the ABH Brow Gel. And then what they put in here is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, $38. I've never tried Lime Crime. I know there was this whole thing they did. The SPF taste in this is actually horrible. I saw other people unbox this. It has a protective layer. It looks like the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette almost. But it has a mirror. These colors are beautiful. Like this Heavenly and this Beam shade. Ooh, and Rapture and Dreamy. That whole top row. I want to swatch some. I've never used Lime Crime. Oh, Rapture is a satin. Wow. So it's this one. That's the highlighter. This one. Look at that. That was one swipe. Ooh, so pretty. Those two are kind of like topper shades that kind of stay stuck to your hand. Like I pushed really hard to get that off. Very pretty. Okay, so, and then the free code I used is also a brand I've never used before. This is the Hip Dot C-Note palette. Unleash your inner goddess through this alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note, our homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico, where the Mayans believed they could speak directly to the gods. Love the packaging. This is the color I'm going to do my hair next, like greenish. I've had teal. Oh. I didn't know if I was going to keep this, but I don't really have anything like this. Oh my goodness. So that is everything that came in my BOXYCHARM for March, even though tomorrow is April. Came a little late. And plus my little haul. Now, I'm going to cut this video and do a separate trying on video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you think of any of this stuff. Let me know down below if you get BOXYCHARM, what you received. And if you like it. I think I already need to do another declutter. I literally just did one like a week ago. I have a problem. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!